Being an apprentice is brilliant for me because I have the option to work in a career that I never could have gotten otherwise. I never could have gotten a job doing what I'm doing now just by applying for it. It took HTP opening the door and essentially leading me in to get me where I am now.
Hi, you're through to Chloe at Powered Now. How can I help?
Being an apprentice at HTP is a great experience. I think it's a great opportunity to get qualifications while you're working within a business and growing from that.
We're a software company. We build applications for people that work in the trade. I was an apprentice myself, so I'm really keen on the apprenticeship program. I think it's a fantastic idea for getting young people, especially into work and giving some experience. Chloe was our first. She came in to work in sales, and we've just taken Barney on, and he's working in our customer support team.
I've got a very clear path ahead of me, and it's feeling hopeful. It feels like I'm on the verge of having a career as opposed to just a job. I really, really like it.
Yeah, I really enjoy my job. I'm constantly busy. I think I work best when I'm busy. The environment's great. Everyone's really friendly. We're quite a close-knit team.
The team at HTP have just been fantastic, especially Becky and Dom. They've really understood what it is that we're looking for, what it is that the candidates are looking for, and it's been a match in heaven, really.